The first one is the Technical Advisory Committee, which we formed about 10 years ago, and we regularly meet together, first of all, to develop research ideas, research issues, research questions that the policy makers want some information on, and these then guide the kind of issues that we include in our research agenda. These are then taken up by the decision makers into consideration for policy. The second structure that we have is a regular meeting that takes place once a year, where we meet not only as the Great Lakes, but a number of other members of the Consortium for Health Systems Research in Kenya. Each research institution makes presentations to the policymakers, usually from the Ministry of Health and also from the Ministry of Science, of Higher Education, Science and Technology. A joint meeting with them makes it easier for us then to be able to communicate with the policymakers in the Ministry of Health. The third structure is that as a result of these processes, we were invited to work with the Ministry of Health to also try to develop their own capacity for doing research, because they felt that they want to be involved as researchers as well. And if their capacity is built, then they are able to do it. So we have started working on operations research, and we are working on a number of issues that are, this is completely driven by the ministry themselves. So we come in to provide technical advice and assistance and guidance, and we support them through data collection. So this, of course, is the most effective, because very often policy briefs come a bit too late to answer policy issues that they require. But if they know what they want urgently, then it is much more efficient to then support that kind of research. The fact that they then put their own money into it and use their own human resource, that sort of investment means that the findings of the study is owned by the ministry and therefore much more usable by the